Hey guys, so I'm walking into Good Guys Gardening here. I am looking to get myself a tent. So I figure, what's the best option? So let's talk to the professionals at Good Guys and see what we can come up with and see what happens. Oh, looks like there's somebody here. Hey there. So I'm I know that marijuana cannabis was just legalized
Yeah,
and I'm allowed to carry how many plants is it?
four.
Four plants. So if I wanted to grow this at home, is there anything you would recommend so I don't have to put it in my backyard, or because I live in a townhouse, I don't have a backyard?
Dead easiest and most complete thing out there is our 5x5 box grow tent. It comes complete. You got 1200 watts of light. You got charcoal filter and exhaust fan combination. Comes with ducting, timer, four pots and saucers. Perfect for growing four plants.
Perfect. And okay, so when I pick up this tent, whether it's hydroponics or soil, I don't need really any nutrients, right? I could just pour water in.
Oh no. Cannabis is a voracious feeder. You need to hook it up with nutrients. Now, we can hook you up with anything from dead simple, inexpensive, to a little more expensive, to a little more of a connoisseur level, to straight up organic. For an absolute new beginner, I would say go with something like this or this. Inexpensive, gives you any one of these kits, will give you enough nutrient to do your four plants from cradle to grave. Starting them, transitioning into bloom, and finishing them off. I myself use the Reno. The Diablo is a very efficient feed. GrowTech Megapack. GrowTech has put a lot of energy into developing this unit. The BioBiz and the Organic Cannabis Craft Kit from Blue Sky. If you want to go organic, those are the ones to go.
Perfect. And so that answers pretty much everything about cannabis. Now, I do like to grow my own veggies and fruits. Well, not fruits, but veggies as well. If I have my four cannabis plants in there, would I still be able to put veggies in there, or would you recommend maybe?
As long as you're not growing one of the monster indicas,
Okay.
yes, you would have more than enough room. Tent this size, you'd be able to have four pots with veg in them and four pots with your cannabis in them.
Perfect. So this tent really does everything I need it to.
You betcha. Sets up in about 15 minutes. Takes you about 20 minutes to take it out the box. Sets up anywhere and it runs off of one plug.
Perfect. Well, Don, I appreciate you taking me through this whole process of
Not a problem.
really what I need as a starter, as a beginner. That is ridiculously helpful. So this is Danny. That's Don. Come by at Good Guys Gardening Center, and we're gonna help you out. There's a whole,
Come see us. We can help you set up in any location.
you know it. You guys have a great day. Peace out.
Bye now.